Alright, here's some activities we're going to do where we're going to draw some sketches. In this case we're going to do a bolt, and we're going to take two screenshots of this, one when it's all dimensioned out, and then once when it's extruded 1.5 inch this way. So let's check this out. Here's how we do it. So first, do a new project. If yours doesn't look like mine, it means you didn't probably go and set up the files through those tutorials, right? So there's probably more. I'm sure there's more than one way to do this. There's probably better ways to do it than I know how to do. It's just I'm not an expert at this yet, so this is the way I'm going to do it. So first we want to do a line. Don't let it snap there, because then you can't move it around. So I'm just going to do a line, and I'm going to do 2 inches and 60 degrees. Okay. Let's make this so we can see it. Okay. And then it doesn't really matter which way it draws. Then we're going to do 2 inches again, and if you let it stay at 120, that should be fine. This is going to be a 6-sided bolt. So then we do another one, 2 inches and another 120 degrees. And then 2 inches and 120 degrees. And then you can even now start to use some of the snap tools. So I want it straight across, and it's going to snap to the other side, and then it should snap to the end and be perfect. Okay, so there we have our bolt shape. Okay, I have these dimensions turned on. You can get rid of some of those if you want. They're not real necessary. Alright, so I have this part. This one's a little tricky for me. Depending on how you do it, things can get kind of screwed up a little bit easily. So what you want to do here is probably put on your... I deleted all my dimensions. Then what we want to probably do is draw a circle. Or first we want to draw a line. Okay, and it's 4 all the way across. We want halfway so we can have a center point. Okay, so I can tell this is good because it says exactly 2 inches, and down here, I can't see it now, but it shows up parallel, and that's what we want. Okay, so everything looks good. Then we can delete that. Then we put our circle in, and our circle is going to be 1.75 inches. Okay, looks good. Then we can delete this line, I'm pretty sure. Okay, and then we can delete that dimension, and then now we're going to do our fillets. Okay, and this is where it got screwed up. If you dimension it and then you fillet it, it changes. So we're not going to do it in that order. I guess if what you can do is you can do your dimensioning right now. Okay, that's 3.46. Let's see if I can do 2 at once. Nope. Then we'll do another one from the flat, or that I just did the flat sides. Now we'll do the corners, there to there, and that should be 4. And I guess we can do this too, the circle. It should be 1.75 diameter. And I think that's all we need. Okay, do a picture of this, do your snipping tool like we did, and then save that. Okay, then delete these dimensions. Okay, if I can try. There we go. Okay, then we're going to do fillets around the edges. So we click on it, and we want 1.25, so I click there and I click there, and then it does a little fillet. So go all the way around your part and do fillets all the way around. Okay, and your bolt should still look fine. I was getting where it was getting kind of warped, the size, and I don't know why. I think it was because I had those dimensions on. So we really don't need this. You can get rid of that if you want, or you can leave it. I don't care. Okay, so there's your bolt done with the fillets. Do a snipping tool of that. Okay, then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to extrude this. So I think we can finish sketch. Okay. And then we right click and we're going to click extrude. It's kind of hard to see in this view because it's straight on, so we'll just trust that it works, and I should have maybe moved it beforehand. Actually, I guess we still can. And we're going to extrude it, I think I said 1.5 inches. What you want to do is, and there's probably more than one way to do this, you click on your sketch and it highlights everything. Then you right click and go to extrude, and then you have to select a surface. Okay, so I don't want to extrude the middle. I want to see how this gets highlighted. I have 1.5 inches in here, and then I click on it and it gets extruded 1.5 inches. Okay, and then I can kind of take a nice picture of this with a snipping tool and then take a picture, and then that's your bolt. That's it.